Hey everyone, welcome back to my Hot Skinny recipe channel. Today, I'm showing you how to make the ultimate comfort food, a tender, flavorful pot roast that's so easy, it practically cooks itself. Let's jump in. Here's what you'll need. 3 to 4 pounds of chuck roast, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 onion, chopped 4 garlic cloves, minced 4 carrots, cut into chunks, 3 potatoes, quartered, 2 cups beef broth, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon rosemary. Start by seasoning your roast generously with salt and pepper. Heat up the olive oil in a large skillet and sear the roast on all sides. This locks in the flavor. Don't skip this step. After the meat is seared, remove it and saute the onions and garlic until they're soft. Then stir in tomato paste, thyme, and rosemary. This combo smells amazing and adds so much depth to the dish. Place the roast in your slow cooker. Add in carrots, potatoes, and pour the beef broth over everything. If you're using red wine, add about half a cup now. Cover and cook on low for 8 hours or high for 10-20 minutes. After a few hours, your kitchen will smell like heaven. The meat should be fall apart tender, and the veggies perfectly cooked. Just look at this. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hearty meals like this. Drop a comment below if you tried it. See you next time.